The Route 66 tour continues in Arizona. Found this little town called Williams, Arizona, the gateway to the Grand Canyon. Apparently, if you go just a little bit north of this town, you'll wind up in the southern entrance of the Grand Canyon. Did not make it up there. Got to go back for that. Look, there's Elvis right there in Williams, Arizona. Anyway, join me on this walking tour of Williams, Arizona off the Route 66. Okay, ROAD's Steakhouse since 1946 on Route 66, and it's for sale right now. It's closed and for sale. So if your name is Rod, you've got yourself, your sign's already made for you right there. You don't have to change anything. Or you know what it would be worth to me? If I bought a steakhouse that nice and that sign was that nice and I didn't want to change the sign, I'd just change my name. I would just tell people, call me Rod. Funny, we were someplace yesterday in the middle of New Mexico or whatever, right? And we were leaving town, and I looked over, and it was a buffet, and it was like Taste of Thailand buffet, but it was right in the middle of this like Western decor Route 66 area. And I thought, that was the weirdest thing. So, Grand Canyon National Park this way. All we gotta do is go right up this road. Grand Canyon National, see, look how pretty that is.
Yeah.
South rims. See, this is the south rim of the Grand Canyon. Basically, I'm just walking up and down the street, the main street, drag, Williams, Arizona. So you don't have to. You can go on a Route 66 trip. You can just take 10 minutes, watch this video, drive right through the town, go on up to the Grand Canyon. I said hi to the nice lady sweeping there. And then, anyway, enjoy this walking tour of Williams, Arizona, Route 66. Thanks for watching. Please come back for more travel videos with Road Dog Darren, and subscribe if you would. I'd love it. Thank you.